Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Malaysia, a place where some of my favorite instant noodles come from. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Cool. Alright, so this is Red Chef with their Hiam dried noodles. Yeah, these are on the top 10 list. They were under a different brand name, but they're under the Red Chef name now, so that's cool. And yeah, I've had these and found them extremely good. The shrimp paste that comes with it has little bits of shrimp that are nice and chewy. Yeah, this is super tasty, high-end premium stuff. So yeah, if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. And a big shout out and a thank you to Annie and the folks over at Red Chef for sending this over. Really looking forward to trying this for the first time again. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.